it happened 100 years ago. When it was wrong then, it is definitely still wrong now.
JP Bencito, Mail Standard.
Hi sir, good evening. Sir, following the defeat of ISIS-inspired groups in Marawi City, sir, have the government or security forces monitored any possible threats? Because Manila will be hosting ASEAN Summit next week. Can you give us insights of the government with?
Well, this is only, I cannot tell you about the preparations where and what, but I can tell you that the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police are ready to meet the challenge.
Okay. Sir, just a follow-up question.
Kapiin ka man.
Clarify lang po natin, meron daw pong proposed summit on... sir, ibigay ko na.
Sige. Sino?
Sir, yung summit on human rights, is it for a real or when do you like to host that summit?
I will consult first the head of states.
Here, sir?
In the heads of states.
APEC or ASEAN?
All. World Summit on Human Rights. Kita mo, lalabas lahat yan dyan. And all the victims of human rights violation are invited to come and air their gripe or grievances.
Sir, will you invite the UN to monitor the summit or at least
UN is I'm more comfortable with a panel of lawyers kasi maintindihan nila kaagad the legal implications and maybe experts in the science of medicine and the destruction of the human body. Yan ang bomba. And hindi fair si yung maniwala kay Calamard. When she brought in rather that black doctor and said na use of drugs is not harmful. Doon ako nawalaan ng respeto. Sana yung of all the drugs characterized by this document of the United Nations. The precursors, United Nations. The report is 2014. Kopyahin mo yan. Bigyan ko kayo pag cannabis is a depression, everything, ecstasy, overdose would kill you. Cocaine, same, mixed with alcohol. Pero walang dito, ayaw kasi maniwala ng gaga eh. Heroin is users risk overdosing on heroin which can lead to coma and death through respiratory depression. LSD, the physical effects are small compared to the psychological and emotional effects. It's still in the brain. Methamphetamine. Ito, tignan mo ang other side effects. Methamphetamine use sometimes triggers aggressive, violent, and bizarre behavior among others. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, lumalaban talaga to. Ayun ang maniwala ng mga gago eh. And here comes Calamard with that American doctor, he's black, and he had the goal to announce before the Republic of the Philippines, he must have assumed that we are stupid. So, no, drug abuse will not harm. This is, bigyan mo na lang sila bong. You get your copy. Total, matagal pa naman kayo dito. We still have a long way to go. But I'll give you a photostock mo. Tapos, sabihin mo kay Calamard, ibalik niya yung doktor dito. Yung kulot, kasi gupitan ko yun sa airport.
Okay.
Totoo. No, we don't allow such kind of hairdo for men. You have to have a haircut like a man. Gago. Talagang gago. ang Calamard, so bakit ako magpa-imbestiga kay Calamard? Anak ka ng, I must be crazy. Why will I submit to her for an investigation? Nagdala na nga ang gaga dito ng doktor, nagsabi na walang effect daw ang stupid. Kita mo naman kagaguhan ng mga ulol. Ako pa ngayon ang kontrabida. Bigyan ko lahat. Binigay na sa inyo? Sana ma-addict kayo para